Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2007 Suzuki GSX-R600. We're going to take a walk around this midweight sports bike and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. Overall, this bike is in pretty clean condition. As you can see, the seats are in good shape, no rips, no tears. And we do have just a little scuffing on the tail section here, just from everyday wear and tear. This bike does have some custom pinstriping on it. As you can see, overall the tank's in pretty good shape. Very, very minimal light scuffing, you know, just like I said, from wear and tear. We do have a mark here on this side where it shows it has been dropped, tipped over on this side. Also has aluminum frame sliders on it and a carbon fiber engine cover. This also has chrome bar ends on it. And then the clutch lever here does show a little bit of damage along with the mirror. And there you go, you can see some more of that pinstriping. This bike also has a chrome tinted windshield on it. And as you can see by the front tire, it's in really good shape. Plenty of mileage left on it. And there again, there's those chrome frame sliders and the chrome bar end. This also has a carbon fiber gas cap along with the tank pad. This also has an aftermarket exhaust system on it. And an undertail kit, along with the back tire here, which is in really good shape. This bike has got 16,185 miles on it. That pipe, it's got a real nice rumble to it. We do have just a little scuffing here on the front fender. And I did miss a spot over here, I'll show you. There on the tank. This bike will be going through our 24-point pre-sale inspection. Will also come with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.